How to get money back on Zelle if you got scammed. If you've been scammed or sent money through Zelle to a fraudster, it can be difficult to get your money back, as Zelle transactions are typically instant and irreversible. However, there are some steps that you can take to attempt a recovery. Now, first, you want to contact your bank or credit union immediately. You want to call your bank's customer service or visit a branch as soon as you realize you've been scammed. Explain the situation and provide as much detail as possible. Some banks may investigate and attempt to reverse the payment if fraud is suspected. The second step that you can take is report the scam to Zelle. If the scam involved impersonation or fraud, you can also report it directly to Zelle through their support team, though they generally advise against advise contacting your bank as the first point of action. And you will visit the Zelle website and look for the fraud or customer support page to file a report. You can also file a dispute. Some banks offer dispute mechanisms for fraudulent transactions depending on the nature of the scam. You can document the incident, so keep records of all communications and evidence of the scam, whether that be email, text messages, or screenshots. You can report the fraud to law enforcement, so file a report with your local police or through online fraud reporting centers like FTC. This will not guarantee you get your money back, but it helps build a case if law enforcement gets involved. Report the scam to the Federal Trade Commissions or FTC, and also monitor your account for further fraudulent activity. So those are the steps that you can take. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.